Hey guys, welcome back. This is just a quick update on the storm that is going on still in Kansas City. Um, it's not really the actual storm, it's just some rain. Oh my god, my app's glitching, I kill. Um, but it's just some rain moving through Kansas City. Down there's a little cell that I'm looking at right now. This little cell right here it's coming it's coming from down here. Its trajectory is coming towards up by Odessa, Lee Summit, Greenwood, Pleasant Hill, like all these right here. Like I think it's coming up around right here. This little thing down here that you're seeing. I think it's heading up this way just a little bit, but that's because everything's um moving up towards like with like the current at the 500 millibar levels. Let me pull up 500 millibar levels. I'm at it. All right, so here's the 500 millibar winds. Well, I was saying levels winds. It's the same. So here's the low trough right here. This low trough tomorrow is moving over here, which will have a gray area of like tornadic activity. I think. Wait, let me check. Um, yeah. So we have the the wind pushing the storms because 500 millibar is what's pushing the storms. It's like a long ways up in the sky. It's the winds up there, so it's pushing the storms in this like pattern. And so like they have it going straight above us, and it's really big right now. We're peaking at 90, 80 over here. In Kansas City, we're peaking at 46 ish. And yes, I was correct about there's going to be some stuff over here. We have an enhanced risk and a slight risk and a marginal risk. We are covering a total of do the math. Probably covering about 15 million plus people in this little area right here. This is just normal thunderstorms. Kansas City is also in this. Kansas City is right here. So Kansas City is also in this, and that's also right here. Let me find tomorrow. So that's day 2. Day Saturday. Sunday. Alright. Here's Sunday. Here's the winds. It kind of breaks up right here. We don't really have that many winds. We have 38, which is a little bit lower than normal. And we have it pushing over here where this enhanced risk is. We do have a 10% um we do have a 10% chance of tornadoes in that little enhanced category area. Plus with a 5% chance of tornadoes in the slight, and in the marginal we have a 2%, which is including Kansas City. So not a high percent, but I would definitely be watching out, and I will definitely update you guys tomorrow about it. Um, but we have that, and let me go to. We do have some Cape tomorrow that's gonna be meeting up in this area. We have 1,000 joules down here in Texas. So Texas is always like one of those places. Um I'm checking the different models right now. That's what you're seeing me do. Yeah, so there's not a lot of Cape up there, but there's definitely enough Cape to generate some storms. We're in this area. And then right now, we have just a line of Cape. Cape is where there's cold, dry air coming down from the north, and from the south there's warm, moist air coming from like the ocean and stuff. And that's where it meets. And the more joules per kilogram you have in Cape, the that's the energy the storms have. So like right down here in Texas right now we have 2,250. And if I look at my charts, we have a good updraft right now in there. You can see over here. And we have a critical angle of 95 and marginal tornado sorry. Um so probability of EF2 plus tornado with supercell. We don't really have any quality matches, but says 60% tor and significant hail 2.50. But we do have 0.15 signature up, 0.19, 0.19, so that's a little high. Cape is a little under it, so 56. And yeah, we just have a line through there right now. Nothing really to worry about, but tomorrow we will definitely worry about that. Let me look at the Storm Prediction Center more about it. Yeah, so here you go. This was today's. We just had a TSTM in Kansas City, but we will that's a marginal and then enhanced ENH. We have 7 reports of tornadoes today, 64 wind reports and 11 hail reports on it today. And let me go to HERF. So this is also 500 millibar jet winds. So this is it right now. And you can see how it's changing over time and how the blue just appears in the Kansas City right here. So it just kind of breaks up right here. And this is where the storms are going to be right here in this little area. As we go on, you can see how it just breaks up out Kansas City and moves on. And then this, as we move on to later in the evening on Sunday, we have this coming up, and it's, let me see the values. Yeah, so anywhere between 70 and 90 knots coming up. Oh, there's even a red in there coming up, and that's basically where it's all going to be meeting. About that, this is about midnight right here. That's where it's all going to be meeting. So we will have some nocturnal stuff going on. Yeah, so if we go to 2,000 plus and let's try 1,000. All right, so you can see 1,000 plus Cape just meeting up here around that same time, or just a little bit around it. You can see Kansas City doesn't really have a lot. See, Kansas City doesn't have barely any. So Kansas City, I wouldn't really worry about it tomorrow, even though we have a marginal. Just I'll give you guys another update on that. And we do have some Cape going up in the little area. So it's like this little area that my mouse is pointing would probably be like a place I would be watching out for, which would be on this radar. It'd be like right here. This little part, I would probably guess that there's going to be some tornadoes. That's my guess. Right now, we do have some Oklahoma tornado stuff. Texas. Yeah, so we do have a tornado warn system that is going into Oklahoma right now. If I switch to the radar, KFDR. Yes, we do have 2 tornado warn cells. So we may or may not have twins on that. try and get information on the cell. All right, so yep, a strength 3441, and it does have 1.25 inches of hail, and it is going northeast at 21 knots. So this one's going at north at 26 knots. It's 2829. But what is this one? So this one's a little bit stronger. Let's see if I can go to storm relative velocity, because velocity is showing like just the winds. So like right here, see I can see that there's 40-mile-per-hour winds right there. So if we go over here and we check just around in the area, you can see how it just like formed. There's a black dot right there, so that I don't know what that's gonna. Range folded 80. Yeah, so I wouldn't expect too much out of that. But I would, if you were if you're in if you're in this little area, and where is this? It's not really no Corona. Like if you're near Leon and where Oklahoma, I think. Is that Oklahoma? Yeah, so it's heading to Oklahoma. So if you're like by Leon, Oklahoma, or if you're still in Texas, like a little bit north of Nocona, sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. I would get to your safe place. Try covering yourself with something. Get in the interior room and wait till the tornado warning has been called off. It the one in Texas expires in 8 minutes. This one expires in 8 minutes. So like I wouldn't be like surprised if they rewarn that again. But it does look like there's something happening in this little area, because normally there wouldn't really be. I'd probably be a tornado area, and this would probably be a tornado area. So we may or may not have twins. I am not 100% sure. Oh boy, did they just extend it? Yep, they just extended the warning. For 37 minutes, going up into Wilson, Lone Grove, Heddleton, Ringling, and Comish. So if you're in that tornado warning, or if you're in any of these tornado warnings, please get to your safe shelter or your safe place. Get to an interior room or somewhere with no glass, no windows. It needs to be in the middle of your house. If you have a basement, get to the basement as fast as possible. Bring your phone with you, bring your shoes with you, and bring your bring something that you can, like a flashlight or something. But if you can't get any of that, just try getting there as fast as possible. There's another tornado warning down here in this little supercell. I'm surprised it's not even severe thunderstorm rated right now. If we go to storm relative velocity, it's, oh my gosh, there's a lot of range folded. So there is a confirmed tornado on the ground. There is a confirmed tornado on the ground. Cell K4 does have a tornado that is in there. Feature TVS, and the strength is 5,046. It's the LLRV is 46 knots, and the track is north at 28 knots. It does have 1.25 hail in it. This little area is what you need to be watching out for. Even though it doesn't look like there's a lot of signature there, like saying that there's only 40, 50, It is very strong. It's just this isn't picking it up because there's not a lot of rain around it. Let me check velocity. Oh, velocity is showing nothing. Yeah, so I can't really find anything on that. But if you are in that, please get to your safe place if possible. Oh, oh, but just updated. Yes, there. It does look like a big tornado, like a big rotating area. So I would say it's in this little part right here. Sorry for the long video. I'd say it's in this little part. So yeah, 8:31. It's gonna be heading up north. If you're in Toller, I'd be ready. There is a tornado that may be heading towards your way, or if it does go down, and I'd be warned that there is a storm that is capable of reproducing a tornado. About 8:50 is our predictions right now. Jinrose, please get into your safe place right now since you are in it. Stephenville, please be watching out because you are only 10 miles away from the tornado. It keeps changing, so there's something weird going on it. I do not know what's happening inside of it. We're seeing outside readings of 73 on that. Yeah, about 1.8, 1.9 miles outside of it, we are seeing large wind gusts. That's where the winds start picking up. Um, Oak Trail stores, please be ready. Grunbury, please be ready. Lipion, please be ready if I'm pronouncing that right. Um, there is 2 more rotating cells over here. Wouldn't be really worried about them though. Let's move on to this one, right next to a radar, which is good. I can see more. All right, so there is this tornado warning cell. I think my predictions is either it's right here, right here. Oh yeah, that those are the 2 areas I think there is because I just see it highlighted. Let's check. 30, 40, 30, 50. So my predictions is it's right here. I wouldn't say that it is, but if you are in Carlsbad, please get to your safe place. Get Grape Creek, get to your safe place. What by the time this video is uploaded, it's probably moved up more. So just be on the lookout for tonight, guys. We are gonna put out a couple more videos, but that's it for right now. Actually, I might upload another one tonight. Um, yeah, there's really nothing in Kansas City right now. We are just seeing when readings around 50. Yeah, 50 from like 10, either from like calm 0 to 60 miles per hour. I'm saying we're seeing I go to reflectivity, which is the rain. There are some cells down here that have lots of rain, but that's below us. So Pleasant Hill, you are in the rain but right now. Blue Springs is in the rain. Lee Summit is in the rain. Greenwood is in the rain. Lake Lotawana is in the rain. Um so the Kansas City Metro does not look like there's any rain around it right now. Let me check if there's another radar. Man, where'd the other radar go? But yeah, guys, just watch out for tonight. Sorry. watch out for tonight, and I will upload some more videos. And just if drop a comment, if you want me like to go to your town, cause like I know some of my friends like, oh yeah, I'm just saying Lawrence, or but like you want me to actually go like closer in, I can do that. Just drop a comment in the and give a drop a comment saying it. Give a like and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys next video. See ya.